Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you different ways to unblock a number in your iPhone so blocked contacts can reach you again. First, open Settings, scroll down, and tap Apps. Then look for Phone and tap Blocked Contacts. Here, you'll see a list of all blocked numbers. To unblock someone, swipe left on the number and tap Unblocked. Or tap Edit, tap the red minus sign, and confirm by tapping Unblock. Another way is through the phone app. Open Results, find the blocked number, tap the info next to it, then scroll down and tap Unblock this caller. You can also unblock directly from Messages. Open the conversation with the blocked number, tap the contact at the top, then tap the info button, scroll down, and tap Unblock this caller. Finally, in the FaceTime app, find the caller, tap the info button next to their name or number, and then tap Unblock this caller. And that's it. Those are the different ways you can easily unblock a number in your iPhone.